Pandora's music subscription service, Pandora Premium, is now available in Google Home speakers and other audio devices with the Google Assistant. It is another source of music on demand and controlled by voice that joins Google Play Music, Spotify, YouTube Music and Deezer Premium. Pandora says she has seen a 50% increase in use in voice-activated devices in the last year. Once you have configured Pandora Premium as your default music service in the Google Home settings, you can request specific songs and albums or playlists by voice. The full range of speakers from Google, Home Max, Home and Home Mini, are capable of playing music through your preferred service. Pandora Premium is compatible with some of the most convenient features of Google Home. For example, you can ask Google to play a song by speaking some of the lyrics.